Cooperman just took us a quarter of a mile in a little over 7 seconds while reaching a speed of 187 miles per hour.
I've been around cars all my life. I enjoy it. It's a real adrenaline rush to go as fast as I go.
So what does someone with a drag racing hobby do for fun away from the track? Settle in at his sign business with his golden retriever Maya, of course. Well, at least it's a fast sign shop.
I got a hold of Entrepreneur Magazine, started doing research, and Fast Signs came up as the #1 sign company. I had settled a little bit on signs because I was looking at something that I was good at and something that I enjoyed, and that I thought that would be it.
As hard as this may be for a drag racer, let's back up a bit more. Lee had been a vice principal and then a principal in the Washington, D.C. area for about 11 years when he decided he needed a change of scenery and careers.
My parents owned mom and pop grocery stores in the D.C. and Northern Virginia area, and I always wanted to own my own business. So I started looking into it. A friend recommended a franchise since I had never started my own business.
So what can a fast guy at a fast sign store do for you?
Fast Signs can produce just about any kind of a sign that a customer needs, from the smallest little name tag to the largest signs, electrical channel letters, illuminated boxes, large banners, vehicle wraps.
Vehicle wraps? That just sounds like another way for Lee to combine his job and his hobby.
It allows you to advertise in ways that catch people's eyes like never before, and the price has come down over years so that it's affordable now.
Lee Cooperman has owned this Fast Signs franchise for 16 years. He purchased an existing store at Havana and Parker and moved it to this location on Abilene between Mississippi and Iliff about 7 years ago.
I enjoy helping people. And as I've gotten older, I enjoy helping them start businesses. I enjoy helping them to improve their business.
Lee also enjoys new and fast equipment, so he recently bought a fast new printer.
It's a brand new HP, large format flatbed printer that will print up to 8 feet wide. So this is the biggest and baddest printer out right now.
One more thing he loves, giving back to the community.
I'm in Smoky Hill Rotary, and we've done some incredible things. We are kind of like a sponsor for Century Elementary School, and once a year we'll take anywhere from 25 to 35 kids with their families to Walmart, and we buy them all the supplies they need for the school year.
Through Fast Signs, Lee has also helped out Race for the Cure and more recently the Make-A-Wish Foundation.
I took a young boy with his father, and I think it was his sister, to the racetrack. He got to walk around and get autographs and had a blast that day.
Through charity or his business, Lee likes giving to others.
Part of what I want for my life is to help people. And I get to help people doing this.